Special Ed, and I got a big head, my favorite color red, sleeping on the bed, got a 30-minute drive into town. Just rather stay here and chill with the cows. Walk outside, no place to go, but Saturdays I got taekwondo. Yeah, you know, I get the free tacos. Looking around, I'm the head honcho, running with the scissors, playing the twister. Why don't you introduce me to your sister? Cause everywhere I go, I'm impressing the women. Never in fights, but I probably win them. Rock and roll's what I usually do, but you never know, I'll give a rap a shot too. You think I suck? I don't care. At 123, there's nothing to fear.
Cadence the kid, yeah, you better step back. This ain't no joke, I'm the baddest on the track. When I'm throwing this money like stack after stack, all them honeys want me to get them on their backs. They may think I'm a player and they may be right, but don't hate the player, hate the game, alright? The night is young, and special as sprung. Hang with us tonight and you're gonna have some fun. This ain't no maybe, it's a guarantee. Come on over, it's 123.
Hey now, it's Bryce checking in. I'm ready to party and I don't care when. Hop on my unicycle with my subs banging. Rolling down the street, what's up, how's it hanging? Got my hack in the air, kick it up with some flair. Go and get my daisy, popping cap in the birds just like Patrick Swayze. My boy Clementine, turning down this overnight. Trying to bowl, but that fool got picked up at midnight. Now he's missing out at 123. I'm just glad that ain't me.